At Flowserve, our parts manufacturing centers, or PMCs, are dedicated to manufacturing spare parts when a fast delivery is required. In our EMA region, we have 2 parts manufacturing centers, Etten-Leur in the Netherlands and Marcianise in Italy. The PMCs include a large warehouse with thousands of parts in stock for next-day delivery and assembly, and have been a reliable, innovative partner and leader in the field of engineered pumps. Our PMCs specialize in spare parts machining, perform non-destructive inspections, hydro testing, painting, and heat treatments, all while supporting numerous customers across multiple industries. Flowserve is committed to guide our customers through every step of their journey with us, and we are proud to offer a newly improved lead time. Our 4-week delivery commitment for turn parts in standard material such as shaft, bushing, sleeve, and wear ring is a quick response solution to our customers and is imperative when serving critical and dynamic markets. Our PMCs are ready to serve our customers safely, with high quality, and quickly. Over the last 2 centuries, we have developed one of the largest portfolios of flow control offerings in our industry, and we look forward to continuing supporting and serving our customers for many years to come.